They shouldn't have broke that joint there. They should have. Tape should not come off that easy. Okay.
There's movement, there's some screws there.
There's something behind it. Your knife should not go up behind that sheetrock like that. Especially right here on this corner. Look here, Dale. My whole knife is on this corner right behind it.
That shouldn't happen.
The first nail. Well, this here only got one nail in it up here. And then there's one right there.
And it went off and through the paper.
Yeah, and then those screw guns that you need. And that's another thing. These screw guns has got a twist head on that you can set that screw to the right depth. You just have to stop and take a couple minutes and fix it with the first screw you put in. And then every couple of hours, you gotta check it.
Check it, because it'll move.
Because it'll move. They say, oh, it won't move.
It will.
Oh, lovely. Come too late to tell me that one.
You don't break the paper when you're fastening that, either with a nail or, well, a nail's kind of hard to break the paper, but screws are easy.
It'll do it. You can pop them.
Yeah.
It's what we used to call pops. You know, you walk on, push on a wall, and you see that nail head moving through the sheetrock paper. Well, it wasn't moving through the paper. It was through the paper, and the sheetrock was moving around the nail. Not good either.
This is a reason that broke.
And I'm 100%. I like to nail off my edges and screw off my fields. The edge don't matter anyway because you got to tape it, you got to bed it, you got to skim it. That puddle's gone after the bed coat.
And this right here would irritate John anyway.
That irritates me.
Now why?
No nails.
Well, John would do a picture frame. He would never have a joint above the window.
Oh, I would. That's where I have it.
Well, you wouldn't have it on the corner.
No, you do not break joints. My rule was, and the guy that taught me, you didn't break a joint within 4 inches of the corner. Right. Because that window moves when they're shutting it and opening it, and it's a stress point.
And that's where you get a crack.
You get a crack out. Above the doors the same way.
It happens every time. And as a matter of fact, we were walking in this house and we told the owner where there was gonna crack.
Yeah, and it will.
So,
We had to sugarcoat it a little bit and get away from it because he was getting all panic counts.
like, we need to take all that down, no. But here's the deal. Do a good job, and we make it look faster than it actually is for you if you're trying to do it. Take the time, put the mud underneath it, wipe it out, and you're trying to get flat. Okay? That's the goal. You're trying to get flat.
Yeah.
So do your tape, and we'll try to take you along.
Kind of like that deal I showed you yesterday with that Bowie knife up back down there, where you can stick the number 2 pencil underneath both ends of the knife, and the center was still touching the sheetrock. It shouldn't be. They shouldn't have broke that joint there. They should have looked.
Well, that's a drywall, didn't it?
You had to have been able to see that stud sticking out. It was that bad.
No. But again, that takes a drywaller that actually knows or cares.
Cares. That's the word right there. Cares. A lot of them know, but they don't care because
They're just getting paid by the sheet.
whenever they get this thing finished and they get paid, they don't worry about it no more. It's not their baby.
They're going on down the road.
But some companies probably paying them to do it. They're gonna have to send somebody like I used to do back in there to fix it.
Yeah, and that company, that guy that hired them, he don't know any better either.
And some company guys don't know nothing.
Yeah, a lot of the guys who are running the general contractor, he don't know anything about all the nuances of finishing or hanging. He doesn't care. He's gonna pay what per square foot he can get, and he makes some money in the margins. Generally, a general contractor can make as much as 30% of the total of the house. 1/3 of the house goes to him in profit, and a lot of times he don't do anything. Now watch and see if we don't get comments from general contractors on mine. I've been knowing general contractors for a long time. Those guys don't do anything unless it's easy.
Right here's the one thing that I was talking about yesterday that had a little piece of metal in it. I love this release right here.
Yeah, sure tape.
It is amazing for them because
That
that metal
makes it
stays the same.
Yeah, you can have, this is actually cut really well. This area here could be cut kind of crooked because the framing's crooked. You can
Oh,
take,
this area usually is crooked.
Yeah,
And
this
you can
looks
see it
really,
is a little bit,
this looks really good though.
but it is a little crooked, cause
Yeah.
right here, it's
Now,
pretty
they make
much.
some stuff on
Comes out.
sure tape. It has metal strips on both sides of
Oh,
that
it's-
tape.
Yeah,
And it's usually like aluminum. It's really flimsy metal. You put your mud on, then you put that sure tape in, you can get that straight. And again, tape, it's an art form. It may not be something that you use, but these are for these odd angles that are not true right angles.
yeah.
Your knife is not gonna give you it's not gonna allow you to be square. But that's another deal. I'll just show you how to mess with sure tape, which is SHUR-tape. There you go. There's another little bit of what I know, and John knows for sure.